Welcome back to Nekoya Prime Tech. So today we're tackling a hands-on CompTIA Lab 2.39 from the CompTIA Network Plus series. So our goal is to connect three patch panel ports, and we'll focus on the executive office, the sub office, and the lobby to the correct switch port. Before we start, take note of the port mapping. So you have a simulated networking closet interface. So let's head over to the network closet, then expand it. So once you're able to expand it, you'll be able to see the ports and the specific ports for the executive, sub, and lobby. So you're going to the shelves and selecting uh, Cat6a RJ45 cables. There are four of them. So you're going to select the first cable and put on the on the position it down there. So you're going to select the unconnected part of the port and connect it to executive one. So once you connect it to executive one, you're going to take the other end of the port and connect it to port one on the Cisco switch. Then repeat the process again. You're going to select another RJ6A RJ45 cable. Then one end of the unconnected part, you're going to position it on the sub port. Then the other unconnected end, you're going to connect it to port 6. So you're going to repeat the same steps with precision of dragging and dropping. Then pick another cable, one end of the unconnected part connect to the lobby, and the other end of the unconnected part, you're going to connect it to port 8. So once you're able to do that, dragging and dropping respectively with precision, I want you to triple check your connection before moving on. So once you have done that, you can comfortably go ahead and score, and you will see 100% of your score. So you have completely finished the lab. So here we go, selecting the Cat6a cable RJ45, and then making sure that it connected to the right port. So we are triple checking to see if there's the right connection before we go on and store our lab. In fact, we have submitted our score.